Now for the last ball, and this is the one that I really liked. I'm happy that they sent me the correct piece. So this would be the one that has the IG-11 unit. So it has IG-11's hand, a couple of swappable arm for Grogu, right, and the chest and his head. So for this one, you're gonna need this Grogu, right, for him. Because he's gonna be sitting here. Yeah, he's gonna be sitting here. Okay, just adjust the knob here, the handle here. There you go. You gotta let me replace his head and face. So yeah, I mean, if you really want to enjoy this gacha, I mean, it's highly recommended you get the set, because you're gonna need to swap some parts like so. So it goes with the theme. I think I'll get the smiley head. Alright, put the smiley head. There you go. So, yep, there's Grogu. Let's put him in IG-11. Okay. And the handle's a bit deformed. I'm gonna have to soak this in hot water so it goes back to its original form. And what you need to do, there's the part here that detaches. You need to put the back part here first, like so. Why are we doing that? Because his ears would be in the way, right? So yeah, so you just have to clip it like that. Make sure that the ears are inside. Let's get the hand. Here you go. And let's get the head. Oops. Fix that here. There you go. Grogu and his IG-11 mech. It's cute. Alright, so there you have it. I love all these Grogus, so